Hello, everybody, and welcome to our English class. Today, we'll begin with a new session. I expect you all to show the same zeal and enthusiasm that you all have shown in the previous session. We'll start our session with block 4, that is, arguing a point. Now, can you all tell me what does arguing on a point mean? For example, if I tell you, if I tell you internet is good or bad, it has now the topic which I've given you has two sides, a good side and a bad side. Some of us will support good, some of us will support bad. Now, this supporting is known as arguing on a point. Now, let us look at the types of essay, because arguing a point is also a essay which is known as argumentative essay. Second is compare and contrast essay, narrative essay, persuasive essay, descriptive essay, cause and effect essay, expositionary essay. Today we learn about the first type, argumentative essay. Now let's first see what is exactly an essay. Essays are used to assess your understanding of specific ideas and your ability to explain these in your own words. Essays bring together ideas, evidence, and arguments to address a specific problem or question. However, different instructional words used in essay titles require different approaches to essay writing. What does your essay title ask you to do? Does it ask you to argue a point, discuss a variety of points, or analyze a proposition? Now we have been writing essay from class 4 or class 3. We all know what is an essay. An essay is when a certain topic is given to you all and you have to expand the topic. You have to include your own ideas. Writing an argumentative essay. Now let us see what is an argumentative essay exactly. An argumentative essay is a type of essay that presents arguments about both sides of an issue. It could be while both sides are presented equally balanced, or it could be that one side is presented more forcefully than the other. It all depends on the writer and what side he supports the most. Now, we all know that an essay always have three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Now, what exactly you have to write in argumentative essay? Now, for example, you are being given a topic, and the topic will have good and bad sides. For example, if I give you the topic internet is good or bad. Now in this topic, some of them will support the good points and some of them will support the bad points. These type of essays where you have to support one particular point out of given points is known as an argumentative essay. Now, I want you all to read the essay from your content book, page 24, block 4. That is, vaccinate stray against rabies. After you are finished reading the essay of vaccinate stray dogs against rabies, I want you all to write an argumentative essay on the following topic. Is fashion really important? Okay? Is fashion really important? I want you to write it in the English notebook, okay? About of one page. Thank you.